overwhelmed with the response. Thank you so much. We will try our best to answer as much as possible today. If not, then we will carry on to another session next week possibly. But we will try our best to maximize how much ever questions we can. Should you have any more questions, do put in the comments on our Insta, on Facebook, and possibly we could do a session number 2. So not just about weddings, you have any other questions regarding chattis, regarding any kind of prayers, we are more than happy to conduct another session. To our Instagram viewers, please note that we can only keep the live session for 1 hour. So within an hour, we will stop it and restart again. So do stay tuned and join us back should the session go longer than an hour. Thank you so much.
Yeah, we're going to start. We're going to Sri Ganesh, and this is a very happy occasion. What you brought here for the good and happiness. The topic is the weddings, right? Yeah, so we can start now.
Ji. So Maharaj also has been going to destination weddings, conducting numerous weddings, more than us also, I think. And we also have the fortunate of doing your nephew's wedding a couple of years ago.
Yeah, Hiren and Prerna's wedding in Bangkok, right?
Yes.
Yeah, it was very beautiful, and you organized very nicely, very beautifully, and everyone appreciates from the both families. The Prerna's family, I think from the Dubai, right? From the Dubai, and they are from the Bombay.
Yes.
And a totally new concept you brought, and they like, आपने जब वो किया था कि कैसे होल्ड करें वो जो आ रहे हैं एयरपोर्ट से ऑल फ्रॉम द उल्लासनगर एंड उनको कैसे होल्ड किया जाए और किस तरह उनको जैसे ही आते हैं तो कैसे एंटरटेन किया जाए. So you organize dancing, the dancers are there, food are there, and also for the massage. Yeah, they do the massage. So and they forgot to go to the room. When we were waiting for the room, we should get the rooms from the hotel. And in all day they spent the dancing and the food and also the massage. And फिर कब गए थे? शाम के टाइम गए थे rooms में. So you organized very nicely.
Thank you.
It's credit go to both of you.
Thank you. And we did a pure Sindhi wedding. So today we will discuss the customs for Sindhi weddings.
Yeah.
Although we have done multicultural weddings across different countries. We've done Marwari, Gujarati, Jain weddings. Maharaj also has conducted
many. Even the Chinese bride and groom is Sindhi. So very difficult to do, but we did very nicely.
Yes.
Very nicely. We did all the sanskar.
Ours and the Chinese ones also with the tea ceremony, everything.
Of course. Yeah.
So Maharaj, please tell us your family background.
Yeah.
How did you start? How long?
हमारा फैमिली बैकग्राउंड बहुत ही स्ट्रॉन्ग है, राइट? आई एम फ्रॉम द ब्राह्मण फैमिली एंड आई एम द 9th जनरेशन, राइट? और मेरे ग्रैंडफादर जिन्होंने हमें सिखाया, पंडित गोविंदराम शर्मा, उन्होंने हमें सिखाया. और ही वाज अ पंडित फ्रॉम द काशी इन बनारस, काशी बनारस. एंड देन we went to he said that उल्लासनगर में अपने वहाँ पर रहे. फिर हम लोग के गुरु हुए थे और उन्होंने ये सिखाया. तो फ्रॉम ब्राह्मण फैमिली आई एम द 9th जनरेशन. हाँ, तो और हमारे नेफ्यूज, कजन्स, आप उल्लासनगर में जाएंगे पूरे ब्राह्मणों की गली. हाँ, गली का नाम ही ब्राह्मण गली है, महाराजों की गली. हाँ, चंदन बड़े महाराज जी गली, सब महाराज हैं. हाँ, सब महाराज हैं और सब असां लेके आने पाण में माना असां जेके भी ॿार आहिनि, कज़िन्स आहिनि एंड अंकल्स एंड उन्हनि जा ॿार सब ब्राह्मण. So we are from the Brahman family. Yeah, we were originally from the Pakistan. सखर जे पासे में लाखाणो आहे, उतां जा आहियूं. हाँ, उतां खां वठी करे ही ट्रेडिशन जो हलंदो थो अचे. ऐं असांजो मोटिव आहे कि कीअं कुझु ॾेई सघूं न्यू जनरेशन खे. असां इन में लॻा पिया आहियूं कि महाराज थी करे असांजो धर्म आहे कुझु ॾियणु.
Maharaj has even done us Asiva. We work with many different priests, and some different priests have different ways of conducting their pujas.
Yeah.
So the main purpose was to understand. You know, I always joke with our clients that we have become half Maharaj ourselves.
No, you all are full of Maharaj. Even not only you, because of के हंसते हम लोग को कौन बोलते हैं, मूवी वाला बोलता है महाराज ये हम लोग भूल गए, अरे हाँ भूल गए तो चलो अभी करते हैं, you know, like some steps.
Yes.
हाँ इन उल्लासनगर पता है कौन बताता है हमें, बैंड वाले बताते हैं, जो बैंड बजाते हैं तो वो so you all are very expert, and even though पूरे वाले के कैमरा चुनवाए दूल्हे बच्चे all timing you say it so nicely. Yeah.
We do every day, so we need to know.
Yeah.
You know,
And I know that Rani, you especially already you know many mantras. Yeah, you chant. I know I heard so many times you when we chanting and you also chanting, right? Yeah.
Ji
So it's
Maharaj,
beautiful.
all Guru's grace.
Yes.
We have learned from our
No,
Gurus.
lot of blessings. You all both have a lot of blessings.
Thank you, Maharaj. And we remember as children, those who have grown up in Hong Kong, I think the Happy Valley Temple memories is something which is ingrained in our childhood. I'm sure everybody in their late 20s, in their 30s would agree that our childhood was spent every Sunday at the Happy Valley Mandir where Maharaj Vishal used to do these beautiful bhajans.
Beautiful bhajans.
We have grown up with your family also.
Yeah.
You have seen us all grow up.
He was a very jolly person, and the way he sang. So many people say he's the Jalka of Hong Kong,
Ji.
and Maharaj Vishal was the Narendra Chanchal of Hong Kong when he sing the Mata Bhajan.
Yes,
Right?
yes.
Yeah. And his main God is the Julelal. So I'm trying my best. Each and every wedding I sing Julelal. Yeah. So,
Yes, Maharaj, we love it.
या तो मैं क्या होता है कि मैं चाहता हूँ कि हैप्पी ऑकेजन है ना ऐसा हो, क्योंकि सब सिंधियों का मोस्टली इष्ट झूलेलाल
जी।
है, एंड झूलेलाल इज द गॉड फॉर द जॉय एंड हैप्पीनेस.
जी।
तो उसकी वजह से हम एटमॉस्फेयर को क्रिएट करते हैं. जैसे मुझे अच्छा नहीं लगता, आई लव दैट एवरीवन पार्टिसिपेट एंड एंजॉय एंड गिव द ब्लेसिंग टू द कपल. Yeah, thank you. Yeah.
And Maharaj, you always tell us to snap.
I like that.
Yeah,
Right,
so
right.
because
Huh.
everybody needs to get married, whoever the priest may be,
Yeah.
everybody has different
Of course,
rituals and
yeah.
everything.
Yeah.
And you know, without the Maharaj, there is no shadi. So let's start with the
Yes.
first thing.
Yeah.
First thing first, you know, we want to know when the Muhurat. Without Muhurat, there is no shadi.
Yeah.
Without the Muhurat, there is no any wedding or Ghar Pravesh Puja.
Right.
So let's start with the Muhurat.
Yeah, Muhurat is a very important thing in our life, because when the parents come to me, right, जब भी वो आते हैं मेरे पास, तो हम लोग दोनों बच्चों का एक तो राशि देखते हैं, राशि क्या है, और दूसरी बात देखते हैं कि बर्थडे लेके उनसे, राइट, तो उनका जो चंद्रमा है, the moon should be very strong. Yeah, then they give us, oh महाराज इस महीने में हमें चाहिए शादी, तो वो मंथ का जो मूड है दोनों बच्चों का कितना बलवान है. मोस्टली वी गिव द 4 8 12, द काउंटिंग ऑफ 4 8 12, चौथा, आठवां, 12वां, क्योंकि मूड के साथ क्या होता है, पॉजिटिवनेस आती है, और इसीलिए हम बच्चों का वो जो मूड का पोजीशन देख करके तभी हम देते हैं वो मुहूर्त.
Yeah. Those who are into healing, they would know that the moon actually controls your emotions. So there is a science behind our ancient culture.
Yeah.
This is not just random, it is something very important. So like Maharaji said, that he does the Muhurat. There are two different kinds of Muhurats which I understand.
Yes.
One is universal, Vikroy universal, which is always auspicious. But those dates are only maybe 8 or 10 in a year. If I-
See, in such a circumstance, like I can tell you, Rani, when the Guru Ast बोलते हैं हम लोग, शुक्र अस्त बोलते हैं, माने गुरु डिसॉल्व हुआ है, शुक्र डिसॉल्व हुआ है, तो हम कोई भी मुहूर्त नहीं दे सकते. पर क्यों नहीं देख सकते, उसमें कारण है. Guru is the guru for all the god and goddess, and Shukra means the god for the pleasure. Pleasure,
Okay.
right? So both things we need in the life. When the couple especially going to get the marriage, both. But in such circumstance, हम लोग क्या करते हैं? अगर गुरु अस्त है, शुक्र अस्त है, like I give you example now, COVID-19 चल रहा है, तो मुहूर्त अगर नहीं है तो हम क्या करें? Right? तो हम लोग क्या करते हैं? Auspicious days निकालते हैं. Auspicious days जैसे हो या पूरे महीने में कैलेंडर में पूरे मंथ, each and every month में क्या होता है? गणेश चतुर्थी है. Ganesh Chaturthi is very auspicious, Ekadashi is very auspicious, full moon is very auspicious, and Chandra, Julelal Saint, especially for Sindhi, is very auspicious, and the Shiv Pradosh, also very auspicious. So we give these days. Then we cannot see the model there. Then we say yes, you can do the wedding.
Because there's something good in every day sometimes.
Yes,
So
yeah,
those are
yeah.
auspicious.
I don't want to confuse them, you see. Yeah, I want to bring the solution for them.
Of course.
Yeah.
That's why we love you, Maharaj, because you always give solutions to any questions we
Yeah.
have. Okay, those who are watching, if you haven't got your calendars from Maharaj's Vaishali temple, so all the dates he just mentioned are mentioned in monthly calendar.
Monthly calendar.
And the last day, sorry, the last page has couple of days where the wedding muhurats are there. These are the universal muhurats, but if you would like a personal consultation which is auspicious for you and your family or the Sena family,
Yeah.
please get in touch with your Maharaj. You know, Maharaj gives dates to anybody.
Yeah. Can I add one more thing?
Ji,
You know
ma'am.
what? When I always go, the Kanyaon Kushrahan,
Ji.
the Danyani Kushrahan, the Kimel topic in like a question in like a Manglik.
Yes.
That Manglik Kyun Shadi. But I say don't risk it. Right? Even though the Manglik, first we see the both horoscope. अगर boy has a horoscope and Shani बैठा है on a house में, then we can say okay, we can go ahead. But even though the parent house में मंगल है, मंगलिक है, that is manchana, no worries, right? Because see, if the like arranged marriage, no more.
Yes.
They love each other. They telling the mother and father, this the boy, this the girl,
Yes.
right? So we should go with them and we can bring the remedy.
So,
We can bring the remedy.
Maharaj, we also have a love marriage.
Yeah. So I know. I see the both Shafi. Fine. You are a happy couple.
We showed you our chatting 2 days ago. But when we got married as a young couple,
Yeah.
we were against showing our chattis also.
Yes.
Because we believed in the power of our love,
Of course,
and
of course.
a lot of couples would
Yeah.
agree with us
Yeah.
that the love will conquer everything.
Yeah.
So of course a lot of parents
No, we
have
give the respect to the parents that this Mangal is fine, Mangal is there.
Yeah.
But what I say, not need to scare, bring the remedy.
जी
Bring the remedy. Now believe me, इतना जो मंगल पूजा है ना इन मंदिर में कराया हुआ, महाराज विशाल कराया हुआ, खाने उनके 12 भी है.
oh God
हाँ,
bless.
तो it's not to scare.
So Maharaj ji, is it important कि छठी दिखा रही हूँ या only birthday you can take out muhurat? What if we don't do the
No, with the birthday we take out the moral,
Ji.
right? Shakti, because see, there's some we cannot go into because every family have their own tradition.
जी
Own tradition, right?
Ji.
Some say, oh no, horoscope is very necessary. So then we make the Shakti and when Kundali can Milana, so it's a long procedure. Then you see the Shakti Guna, 18 Guna, right? But as now the world is moving so fast and the new generation don't want to what you say, they want to make fasten the chain. So I should say, you love each other, you respect each other, right? Bring the remedy, small remedy for that.
जी
Yeah, don't disturb.
yeah.
Yeah,
So
that's
thank
the
you
way.
Maharaj. Now after the muhurat,
Yeah,
the first thing which happens is the engagement or misri.
yeah.
But nowadays, not just nowadays, since couple of years,
Yeah,
the boy already proposes to his to-be bride.
to be right.
Jeko Chanta is like engagement.
Huh.
But still, a lot of families want to keep that tradition of having a misri or
Yeah.
engagement
Yeah, yeah.
ceremony.
Mm.
They want to know like what is important in the misri.
Misri, very simple. Misri, we bring the kuno right kuno, and you can put the bito sang. Bito sang, you know the Misri, rock Misri,
The rock sugar.
rock sugar, right? वो bito sang होगा, पहले वो joint थी ना, honey,
Yes.
right? And rock sugar is sweet, right?
Ji.
And then the tradition is very simple. We give small toll, 5 with the nariyal, 5 fruit with the nariyal, and the boy side going to do the shingar for the girl, right? Yeah. So उन्हें like a nine. So उन्हें शुक्ला में ऐसा simple way से अगर खानी है चूँ, so if you don't want to put so many mystery inside in the kuna, only put for the immediate family.
Yeah, because Maharaj, you
Yeah.
know, everybody is on diet nowadays.
Ha.
And everybody the traditional way
Right,
was to
right.
distribute rock sugar
Right.
to everybody present over there.
Yeah.
But can't khai na ko ajkal because everybody is on diet, including me.
Yeah, no. So we do like this, right? Only this immediate family you can distribute that rock sugar, that is the
soda.
sugar for the sugar,
Sugar, yes.
right? And somewhere they also exchange the garland, right? Exchanging the garland with accepting each other.
Understand?
Yeah,
Yes.
and the boy we can give the tilak and all. That's the simple.
So this small ceremony, Misri, can be together with another occasion.
Yeah, with the
Yeah.
welcome dinner.
Yes, welcome
With the
dinner.
welcome dinner.
Yes, Sangeet ka pehli.
Sangeet ka pehli.
15-20 minutes
Yeah.
before.
Even though the such circumstance, I did a wedding in, I'm not forgetting, Rambagh Palace in Jaipur,
Ji.
right? So Utte Shahu Chinese bride.
Right.
So we did before the marriage the ring ceremony.
Oh,
Only
just
exchanging
before.
the ring, yeah.
Exchanging the ring. Yeah.
Exchanging the ring.
So Jai Maharaj always finds solutions
Yeah.
to the circumstances we have. So if anything, any questions, we always say, Maharaj, now we want to do it this way. How do we do it?
Yeah.
Because a lot of youngsters have been asking us so many questions, and it is the 21st century.
Yes.
So we have evolved. Our iPhones keep evolving every 6 months, 1 year. Our
Yeah.
traditions also need to evolve.
Right.
And that is why it's important to first understand your traditions in order to see where can we fit them. How
Yeah.
can we, go and join it with other ways.
Yeah, we can see either we do the first day, welcome dinner, then engagement. And engagement prayer not take so much time, only 15 minutes. Just give the toll to the bride and exchanging the ring and take the blessing from the parents, right? And that's the only take 10-15 minutes. So we can adjust either the first day and also before the wedding, we can do that, no problem.
Maharaji, why the bride needs to do the sagri? Because who already beautiful lageti, she's already decked up, she's got the top makeup artist and full sajo fine already.
Yeah.
And then still why the tradition to...
Flowers. Yeah, flowers.
Flowers is good,
Yeah.
that is extra, but I'm saying like she's already decked up, makeup is already done.
Yeah.
And then you put little bit just for photos, just lipstick for touch. Why do we do that?
Yeah, you know why? Because this is actually the tradition, right? Of course, bride is looking very beautiful,
Yeah.
but when the groom side is coming, right,
Yeah.
and their sisters and whatever the ladies they
Yes.
choose, they are coming. So उनमें शादी हुआ है कि उनके आशीर्वाद देना है, उनके blessing देना है, कि उनके वधिक beautiful लगे असांजो, because they are happy. This is a happy occasion. So in our tradition in golden time, right?
Yeah.
They used to use the real flowers.
Yes.
You see, they used to use the real flower. I can give you the example of Mata Sita. When this happened with Mata Sita,
Yeah.
in that Treta Yuga,
Yeah,
right?
yeah.
They put the
Real
real
flowers.
flowers, right?
Okay.
So this is just a respect, and they are happy that this is our bride.
Yeah.
So she with this blessing from all these auspicious girls, right?
Yeah.
She should look more beautiful.
Yes.
That's the, we can just that ceremony also we can finish in 5 minutes.
Yes.
Yeah, in 5 minutes. It's not take a time.
It doesn't need
But
to take
yeah,
long.
yeah.
Ji. And Maharaj, then the most important part comes the janyo.
Yeah.
Without janyo, in our Hindu tradition,
Right.
I don't think this is just Sindhi. In
No,
our Hindu tradition,
yeah.
the boy boys need to put the janyo.
Yeah.
So for that, I'm going to hand it over to Harry
Yeah.
because that's the boys' part.
Yeah.
Hari Om Maharaj.
Hari Om, Hari Om, Hari.
About the janyo, everybody and we also want to know what is the importance of a janyo.
Janyo is very important as a Hindu, right? Hindu child, because when we put the janyo, actually first I tell you, the clear is that the janyo, when to put the janyo, what is the correct age,
Yes.
right? Actually the correct age for the boy to put the janyo 7, 9, 11, 13. 7 years, 9 years, 11 years, 13 years. Yeah. After 13 years, right, boy, you see, he become big, right?
Yeah.
So in the science also agree with us. Science which everything
Yeah.
because te brain and asanke unama hik brain heart ki benwa. Then after that, doctor and the science and the yogis and the rishi also say after 30 you be the friend of the boy.
Okay.
Yeah, you be the friend, right? Yeah. Under 13 you can control them, you can punish them, right? But after 13 you can't. And janyo
Equal rights.
Yeah, right, yeah. So janyo indicate that the child after putting the janyo, because janyo have a Brahm knot, Brahma, Vishnu, Mahesh. That's the Brahm knot. Yeah, Brahm knot, right? Brahm knot. And also janyo indicate that after putting the janyo, boy is qualified that he can perform any kind of the prayers, any kind of the yajna, any kind of the havan, and also that he can perform the pitrik kriya. Without janyo he cannot perform. You can see केवल ऐसा funeral होते हुए नहीं ऐसा कच्चो जने पाएंगे in such a circumstance. But actually after putting the janyo he can perform any kind of the prayer. And हर मनुष्य के right ते ऋण है, right? पितृण ऋण, मनुष्य ऋण and देव ऋण. And after putting the janyo he can conduct that. Yeah. So janyo is very important. But nowadays you're going to ask me that janyo perform before the wedding.
Yes, that was our.
That's our next question.
Yeah, before the wedding. So of course we can put before the wedding. Without janyo he cannot, because he again is coming. He cannot do any kind of the prayer, and he's entering after the marriage in the new life, right? So janyo we should put.
And this janyo ceremony, how long does it usually take?
Yeah, if I talk about the golden age, not only the golden age, in Kaljug before, right, when Kaljug start, 4 hours.
4 hours.
4 hours. Because janyo was more important than the marriage, right? More important. Because in this janyo, we can call in the Ragved, Yadurved, Samved, Asarved, giving the blessing. And you know, when the sister tied the jyoti, right? Because this is the main bindu of the meditation. When we tie, then he can take any kind of the pure decision, perfect decision, correct decisions, right? And janyo also in Sanskrit actually called the Upanayan. Upanayan means you can see the vision in correct way. Yeah, what is wrong, what is right of the life. So janyo is very, 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 very important. But yeah, if I perform the janyo nowadays, I take only 1 hour.
1 hour. Okay.
1 hour, yeah. 1 hour.
1 hour is okay.
Yeah, 1 hour. Actually it's 45 minutes, but 1 hour we saying in any delay or
Yeah,
anything. Yeah, so 1 hour is perfect.
Now for the next question, Mendi, I'll hand the mic back over to Rani.
Yeah.
Ji Maharaj, nowadays during Mendi they want to put sagri also.
Yeah.
So they put the flower jewelry.
Yeah, same like
same.
yeah.
Like some people do an engagement also.
Yeah.
So it's
It's okay.
It's
It's
okay.
perfect. Yeah.
What is the significance actually sagri jo? Again, same like you said.
Same,
to
because
welcome.
this is the respect for the bride, then the groom side coming, and it's a happy occasion, and you know in that happy occasion when they give the bride more respect in and Gulan ji mala pain and or mehendi lagela hundi hai.
Yeah.
See why she put the mehendi?
Yeah.
She mainly put it for the boy, for the groom.
Yes.
Right?
Yeah.
वो मेहंदी जो significant है जेतरी मेहंदी लगन दी जेतरी मेहंदी लाल थी थींदी
Yes.
ओतिरो हुनजो प्यार उनमें वधंदो. So these all the auspicious ladies, you can see mostly the girls coming.
जी.
Girls coming and putting the garlands. And girls के असां सिंधियुनि में तो चवंदा आहियूं कि हिकु न्याणी सौ महाराज. So
Yeah.
this is the blessing. They're
Yes,
giving the
okay.
blessing and happy occasion. Then they have a reason to extend again the sweets.
जी.
Yeah, and enjoy.
जी.
Yeah.
Then usually we have the Sangeet where we just have fun.
Yeah.
Then after that, but nowadays of course we are changing things around. But most important puja is the Ghari puja.
Very good.
Without the Ghari puja in our Sindhi culture, both sides cannot get married.
Yeah.
So Maharaj, first question first. Which side needs to start first? This debate hamesha thindo hai between both the sides.
How?
Question always arises
Okay.
in every wedding.
Yeah. When if we start from before tradition, right? They give always the respect to the boy side.
Okay.
So that's why they say the boy side first. But actually तव्हांखे हिकु ॿी ॻाल्हि मां ॿुधायां कि उन ज़माने में सभु अलॻि अलॻि रहंदा हुआ.
Right.
डेस्टिनेशन वेडिंग न हूंदो हुयो कि
Yeah.
भई गॾु आहिनि त केरु पहिरियों करे, right?
Right.
Before were there in the houses, right?
Yeah.
In India also. So anyone can start. Actually, anyone can start. Where I say who is ready can start, right?
That's-
Even though they can start together. There
Yeah.
is no any particular by I custom ki by he, but giving the respect to the
Yeah.
boy side. That's why I can suggest if destination wedding में आए तो 15 मिनट पहले boy side start करें, then they
Then
will
can
start.
continue.
Yeah.
Ji, ji, ji.
हाँ.
But Maharaj ji, I liked your practical answer just now. You said जेको पहिरीं ready हुजे,
हाँ.
पहिरीं हू start
वो
करे.
करें. हाँ, कहीं कहीं you know, this is actually all these things. You see, it should go with the purity.
जी.
It should go with the purity. It should go with the honesty. Because you calling that time first, you know what is the Navgari and Gari?
Yes.
Navgari is the Navgara, 9 major planet,
Ji.
and all god and goddess, including Navgari. We calling all the forefathers. Only in the Navgari.
Yes.
You see, we calling forefather that you also come, like the other well-wisher are here, dear parents are here, and four corners of the world, all the guests are here. You also come, give our children the blessing. You know, then if the qualified Maharaj, he going to say in a very time, give the sankalp.
Sankalp,
Especially
yes.
sankalp में असां उन्हनि खे घुराईंदा आहियूं.
असांजे ancestors खे,
Yeah.
pitrus खे,
हाँ,
yeah.
You know why? Because ancestors are more important than the gods.
Really?
Yeah. You know why? Because ancestors असांखे blessing ॾींदा आहिनि. ही ॿई couple, चाहे boy side or the girl side, bride and groom, सदाईं वधंदा रहनि ऐं हिननि जी generation छा थिए, grow थींदी रहे.
Understand.
Yeah. So that's the most important of the
Ji, thank you so much, Maharaj. Tani, many times you will notice during Navghari Puja, there will be photographs of ancestors, grandfathers,
Yeah.
grandmothers,
Yeah.
anybody who has passed on.
photos here.
They keep the photos
Yeah.
only for the Navghari.
Navgari.
Only for the Navghari because that is a very important ritual.
Yeah.
And we always make sure we take care of your pictures. We always make sure it's given back on time. So, but yes, the photos have to come from you guys.
Yeah, and even though people say, oh Maharaj, we can keep at the mandap at the wedding time, I suggest don't keep.
Thank you.
Do not keep at the wedding time. Keep only with the Navgari Gari time because that table is so auspicious. असां तेसिताईं मुंहुं न कंदा आहियूं उन टेबल खे जेसिताईं पूरी शादी complete
Finish
थी
थी
वञे,
वञे.
finish
Yes,
थी वञे.
correct.
So it's where, and you know, Navgari Gari time, if the Maharaj is perfect and he have a good knowledge, he going to say, feed 9 Brahmins.
Okay.
Yeah, feed 9 Brahmins because of the ancestors.
Ji, ji, ji. Yes,
Yeah.
I heard that. ये ब्राह्मणों के लिए है.
Ah, yeah. So
Right,
then they,
yes.
they take out the cash and some sweets and
Ji.
then again we do the sankla.
Unnaje,
Yeah,
yes.
yeah. So
So,
this is the Navgari
This is
Gari.
a very good point. So whenever there is a destination wedding and there is a Ghari Puja, now Ghari is followed nowadays. Whenever there is a puja, we specifically actually ask the hotel to lock the room.
Lock the room and no one can touch and no one enter. Very
Yes.
next day we have to do the Vanmadya.
Yes.
Right.
and we do not remove or clear the table
Yes, yes.
until the feras are over.
Yes.
This is a very important point.
Important point.
Even if you have to keep it longer, whoever it may be, but it has to be cleared after the feras are over.
Yeah, but
It's co-joined together
Yeah.
actually, because traditionally it's same time थींदो हो.
same time थींदो.
Yeah.
And छा हूंदो कि even though nowadays, there's sometimes hotel problem in here. Hotel चवंदी आहे ओ असांखे रूम खपे सुभाणे. मूव कयो ही सभु.
जी. Sometimes,
Yeah,
yes.
sometimes. So if I am there, I always do a meeting with the wedding planner,
जी.
and then they call the hotel person, and then they call the parents. Like, what do you want to do? If you want to move the table, I suggest better you do in your suite.
Keep it back in your suite. Yes.
Yeah, no, you do the
Shadi in
Navgari
the
suite,
yeah.
Navgari Gari in the
Navgari
suite,
Gari, yeah.
or if you not, then we have such a mantra, we can take that table to the room.
Okay.
Yeah,
So the solution again is there.
I can do
Oh, thank you so much, Maharaj. And now, very important,
Yeah.
especially destination weddings में
Yes.
घड़ी थींदो है, and after that, everybody wants to put the hand.
हाँ, गाड़ी खणी मंदिर वेंदी आहे ॿाहिरि
Yeah.
इनर एंड उन सां
जी.
right हाँ
Yeah.
मदर एंड फादर look very beautiful.
Yes.
ऐं उन्हनि खे असां ॻह बि पाईंदा आहियूं, जेवर बि पाईंदा आहियूं. This is a happy occasion.
Yeah.
You see, they should look different than all the people.
Okay.
That's why we're putting the jewelry and all. Again, the
So the mother has to wear the both sides mothers have to wear
Mother
the
and
sabri
father.
set.
Yeah.
जरूरी है या
जरूरी है. Actually, उनमें छा थो थिए
जी.
थोड़ा different था लगे. You see,
Understand.
they
Okay.
look different, and the who putting them again all the 7 auspicious ladies.
जी.
You see,
जी.
so this is the way they are happy, and you see, I believe the 2 person in the wedding time are very happy. All well-wishers are happy. Dear guests are very, very happy. But 2 people who they are most happy is mother and father.
Yes.
So they deserve
For their
this.
own children. Yes.
Yeah,
Of
they
course.
deserve it. They look so beautiful, and when they go with the Anna, and then Anna had the knife, and we cut the water. Now tell me, अॼु जे ज़माने में कि पाणी खे कोई कटे नथो सघे, पर with the mantra, when Maharaj chant the mantra, Anna खे एॾो पावर थो अची वञे, पाणी खे कटे थो वेठो. Cross the water.
Okay.
कंदो आहे. हाँ.
Yeah.
So before the groom's and bride's mother, they go to the well.
Well, yes.
कुआं में वेंदा हुया, उतां प्योर पाणी खणी करे पंहिंजे घर में ईंदा हुआ कि असांजे ॿार जी शादी आहे, असांजे ॿारनि खे नज़र न लॻे. That's why this water we bring inside.
And nowadays we use distilled
Watson
or mineral
water.
water, which is pure also. जी
Yeah.
महाराज, घड़ी में pot मथे ते रखंदा
हाँ,
आहियूं.
मथां ॾीओ हूंदो आहे.
जी. So why do we put the pot on the head?
The pot on head because she is the mother.
Yeah.
She's taking the gari,
Yeah.
right? पानी हुते विझंदा आहियूं, ॿाहिरि वञी करे
Mix करण.
मिक्स करण लाइ.
जी.
बट ॾीओ ॿारे वेंदी आहे, राइट? ऐं असां
Dio is like this, na? With the
हा,
chalni
किन
and
में छा थींदो आहे, ॾीओ मथे ते रखंदा आहिनि, पर किन में छा थींदो आहे, ॾीओ हिते रखंदा आहिनि,
जी.
जीअं प्रोटेक्ट थिए. ऐं ॾीओ माना जोत आहे, जोत माना प्रकाश. प्रकाश पंहिंजे घर मां खणी ॿाहिरि पई वञा खूह ते, राइट?
Okay.
खूह ते वञा पई पाणी भरण, पाणी भरे करे वापसि प्रकाश करे अंदरि ईंदा. ऐं सभु नचंदा आहिनि, ॻाईंदा आहिनि, एटमॉस्फेयर क्रिएट कंदा आहिनि.
And Maharaj, when you are there, nachanda hai.
Because I love to sing, some occasion, me and my brother Maharaj Vishal, असां केवल ईअं थींदो आहे, बारात हूंदी आहे न, बारात हलंदी आहे त मां पासे में कोई वेठो, मां चयो हीउ मुंहिंजो जोलो पकड़, चवंदो छो महाराज, मां बि त नचां. Because I can't stop. I cannot stop. Because I feel this is my family,
जी.
Because I learned from my brother one thing. Whenever you go any prayer, even though small havan or whatever, you feel they are your family.
Yes.
Yeah, that's the way I only go. You see,
Ji, Maharaj.
that's why the happy occasion. I want to be happy.
Yeah, Maharaj, you make everybody happy. Now, how to shorten the ghari?
very simple. See, we can finish the puja within 30-25 minutes. The
Okay.
Navgari and Gari,
Ji.
which the puja we doing
On the table.
on the table. Innovating means Ganesh को जगाते हैं, नवग्रह को जगाते हैं, parents ancestor को लाते हैं, सब हो जाता है, 7 स्वागन आती हैं,
Yeah.
और each and every step has the meaning, right?
Yes.
फिर जब वो बाहर जाते हैं, that takes 30 minutes, right?
Yeah.
When we go outside, if they cannot, everyone taking time to putting the garlands,
जी.
सब garland विजनन, and garland डालने में बहुत time लग जाता है.
Yes.
Yeah,
And
that's the.
उसके बाद
हाँ,
ready
अगर-
भी होना है next
हाँ,
location के लिए.
right. और 300 लोग हैं तो 300 के लिए तो महाराज बजा के थक जाते हैं, गा के थक जाते हैं. तो उसमें एक चीज कर सकते हैं आप.
जी.
Only the immediate family, both means inner and Rayani,
Yeah.
almost, and then the immediate family, जेकी भी पता है
Yeah,
गरजा.
close जान.
हाँ, वो है. बाकी ब्याह सब, they are also the well wishers. They want to be participate,
Yeah.
so they can take a photo,
According to the
Yeah.
photo.
photos,
The
direct.
heart is not necessary.
Not necessary. They just go,
Okay.
wish them, and take a photo.
Yes.
हाँ,
Thank you
because
so much. for
आजकल
this.
फोटो फेसबुक में को नहीं, तो फोटो जरूरी है.
Everybody has a body.
Yeah, photo is more important than the heart now.
How do you wish from the heart? Yeah, give the blessing from the heart, right?
जी महाराज,
पहले
we love that.
पहले जमाने में शाम दो जेके गुरु साइड हुजन चाहे ब्राइट साइड हुजन उन्हनि खे हू एक्सचेंज थींदी हुई गिफ्ट्स.
Yes.
फ्रेंड्स भी गिफ्ट खणींदा हुआ, वो भी गिफ्ट खणींदा हुआ,
जी.
पोइ हुते जाम टाइम लॻी वेंदो, राइट?
Right.
ऐं तव्हां ॿुधायो इंडिया में पाण ॻाल्हाइनि न अथव.
Then
Just they wish, they just wish and take the photo.
Just
Yeah.
बाकी-
हाँ,
बाकी
बाकी
है.
में हाँ
Yes.
बस वो कर सकते हैं. We can save the time in this way.
oh, this is brilliant idea. Thank
Yeah.
you so much, Maharaj. The Ghari Puja ka wo next puja, which is super important, is the Vanva Puja.
Yeah.
And for that, I'm going to pass it on back to Harry.
Hmm.
Maharaj,
Yeah.
regarding the Vanva Puja,
Yeah.
there's one special part where the boys, the friends of the groom,
Yeah.
they look forward to this. They would wake up early if need be, after partying till very late. Is the tearing of the groom's
हाँ
clothes?
कपड़ा फाड़ना है. हाँ.
What is the significance of that?
Very simple. Significance that actually I tell you, Navgari Gari, in the Navgari Gari day, and because now we compromise, because I'm the very flexible Maharaj, right? Navgari Gari time, in the night is this lady Sangeet, right? And then the bride and groom again want to see each other. Actually, असांखे नवगरी करीअ जे रात जो ही कपड़ा फाड़ना है. Normally, really, no, tradition ईअं थो चवे. ऐं ओॾी महिल ई हुननि खे red thread ॿधंदा आहियूं.
Then they cannot see.
हाँ, no. The red thread is that your pure period going on now. That you're not going to eat any non-veg, you're not going to drink any alcohol, you're not going to see each other. But as we giving them the let they enjoy, right? हाँ, तो पोइ असां छा कंदा आहियूं? ॿिए ॾींहुं धाॻो ॿधंदा आहियूं. वनवाती धाॻो ॿधंदा आहियूं. ऐं पहिरियों छा हूंदो हुयो? पहिरियों ट्रेडिशन में हूंदो कपिड़ा फाटंदा हुआ. ही माना ओल्ड जेकी शइ आहे उहा कढणी आहे. You know, the tradition is because next day he should wear the new clothes and he look like a king. And also in some blessing we say you look like a Vishnu, you look like a Rama, right? So pure period chalu thindo hai, and that's why in our tradition our forefathers they were very expert in this. That by kapda bhi फाड़ियोस, त ही जूनी शइ खे त्यागे फिटी करे पोइ असां छा कंदा आहियूं? विसर्जन करे छॾींदा आहियूं कपिड़ा. ऐं गर्ल जा जेको ओल्ड क्लोथ हूंदो आहे, हा, गर्ल जो उहो टीयर नथा करे सघूं बिकॉज़ शी इज़ रेस्पेक्टेड, शी इज़ अ गर्ल. त उन में छा उहो उन्हनि जो शुभने तौरु उहो ॿिए ॾींहं ते समुंड में विझंदा आहियूं. दैट्स व्हाई वी टियर द क्लोथ्स.
And also the Maharaj always says that no thread should fall on the ground.
हाँ, because in such circumstance छा ॾिठो वियो आहे पहिरियों जे ज़माने में, even nowadays also, see, some of we don't know all they are with us are thinking positive for us, right? हुन thread ते जाम दफ़ा black magic थियो आहे. हाँ, black magic थियो आहे and किन circumstance में अची शादियूं बि रुकिजी रहियूं आहिनि. So that's why very important आहे because हुनजो हिकु thread, because see first the mother and father doing the Gari and Navgari puja and that important period going on and all the blessings जेकी आहे, right, कि ॿार सदाईं ख़ुशि रहनो वधनि. त हाणे जेको उन्हनि जे माण्हू जो माइंड आहे, कोई नेगेटिव आहे, कोई पॉजिटिव आहे. हा, so we don't want any chance like anything going to happen.
Okay, that's why.
To stop the negative things.
So is that why also the inner has to be with
Very
him
careful.
24/7 with the dagger?
You know, मां हूंदो आहे त मां लॻंदो आहे उते टावल विछाए छॾींदो आहियां ऐं सभिनी खे ऐं मुंहिंजी मदर खे चवंदा आहियूं उनजी ऐं सभिनी खे this is our duty.
Yes.
This is our duty. You cannot just sit and because as a Maharaj we have to inform them each and every steps. Yeah, इन करे कपड़ा फाड़ींदा आहियूं कि नई लाइफ में वेंदो and he should look very positive and new. So your tradition आहे.
So the symbolism. So basically, what I understand, symbolism is to let go of the old
yes.
and start with the new
Yes.
life. That's the symbolic reason why this is.
Exactly.
Yeah. Okay, Maharaj. Nowadays, even I've discussed with you before that pollution is one big thing for the ocean.
Yeah.
Instead of Visarjan, can you burn the clothes also?
No, we cannot burn.
Cannot burn.
Cannot burn. Burning जो because असांजो tradition एॾो deep आहे, माना हिनजो जेको culture आहे असांजो हिंदू culture एॾो deep आहे. Burning, we cannot burn, especially anyone's clothes this auspicious occasion.
Okay.
You understand?
Oh, I understand.
Yeah, I don't want to say the other thing.
Yes,
So,
yes,
yeah,
I
that's
understand.
fine.
Now we understand.
Yeah.
Because we need to understand why we are doing what we are doing.
Yeah, I respect the sea, I respect the pollution and all, but somewhere we cannot.
Yes,
Yeah.
some things we cannot.
Yeah.
Yeah. No, that's good. Okay. So Maharaj, then the next one is the vatti.
Tikri.
Yeah, the one which they break with their shoes.
Yeah. See, that is significant that because असां पहिरों त उनजो बल ॾिसंदा आहियूं. बल माना energy.
Energy.
Because हेॾी पूजा कई आहे, हेॾो मदर एंड फादर ब्लेसिंग ॾिनो आहे और उन टाइम ते हेॾो स्वीट वीट सभु फीड पिया कयूं हुनखे, राइट. ऐं राइट फुट में जेको राइट फुट सां हूंदो आहे न त उनजी हील सां तोड़ियो वेंदो आहे, राइट.
Yes.
हा. So she and the boy, the groom and the bride showing us how much they have
Power
the
they have
energy
to
to remove any kind of the negativity.
Okay. So it's like
हाँ. नज़र निकिरी वेंदी
I see.
ऐं उन सां ब्रेक करण सां जेको आवाज़ थींदो आहे,
Yeah.
राइट. ऐं सी
So that sound-
टिकरी जेकी आहे उहा
Yeah.
मिट्टी जी ठहियल आहे
Correct.
ऐं मिट्टीअ में छा आहे, 5 तत्व मिलियल आहिनि.
5
आग,
elements.
हवा, पानी,
Yes.
धरती and आकाश,
जी,
right.
जी.
So she's showing that yes, I am ready, that मां इन सां सॼी any kind of the negative शइ हूंदी उनखे remove करे छॾींदुमि.
That's beautiful, Maharaj.
Yeah,
That's beautiful. So Maharaj, suppose vatti na huje because मूं सां ईअं थियो आहे one wedding. Usually with you the samagri is always there,
Yeah.
and some other Maharaj, but
Yeah.
many times the Maharaj tells us to do it, and then many times the family says, you don't worry, we'll take care of it, and this happened to me.
Yeah.
They brought the samagri, jeko chawal and all that.
Right.
They forgot to bring the vat. And next morning when jo ghari puja ho, welcome dinner te mukhe chayo, and I
Yeah.
said, what do I do? I called up, this was in Phuket, I called up my caterer. I said, you have clay jo like that vatti or something? He said, no, but I have chai jo cooler, which is like a matka, also made of clay. I
Right.
said, bring that now. And then I used that as a substitute to just do that. But suppose I got lucky minje caterer ke pyo ho. But suppose if it's not there, because this happened 7-8 years ago.
Yeah, that's why you see when the parents come to me,
Yeah.
I give one list to them,
Yeah.
and I send one list to the wedding planner.
Ji.
Inayat, Mantra, and all others. You also, right? Even the Mashu, all these my favorite, all the wedding planner. These, So they all have my list, and then I again call them
Yes.
that you need anything I can bring.
Ji.
This is Maharaj's duty also. So
Correct. But sometimes.
but if sometime in such a circumstance we cannot, if we cannot find this टिक्का जो वटी कोने को, very simple. दिए जो वटी ठायो,
हाँ.
दिए जो वटी ठायो, and groom and bride जी माँ के जो from right to left, उन्हें जे सिर खां वटी करे.
Okay.
And then
Just throw it.
throw,
Mm.
and from worry again left to right, worry be वटी फटी करे. तो नजर में क्यों?
But Maharaj, you keep extra. I know that also.
माखनी को मना.
Maharaj
माखनी
takes
को
out
मना.
the jewel also.
माखनी को मना. पर यो you know, once I tell you very nice thing. If we have a time, 1 minute thing for Maharaj Vishal. तो बताओ शांत हो. कितना पैसा चाइना व्यास. चाइना में महाराज विशाल सब लिस्ट नहीं सब कहीं जने हो सब लिस्ट नहीं सब कहीं तो पर नारी न पोमले उनकी
Yeah.
नारी बकेट थींदो ही ना पूजा अम्मा भी जनियों में की थींदो तो महाराज विशाल इज महाराज विशाल सो उन छा की हेडो वडो महंगो पयो हुयो
Yeah.
राइट वडो महंगो न चाइना में राइट उनखे गालो कपड़ो वधी छडी मथा तिलक बिलक लगाई गणेश कढी पत्ता बता विधई सॼी पूजा थी वई सब पूजा थी वई जनियो थी वियो थी वियो सब वादन ॾियण लॻा पोइ हिकु ओल्ड लेडी आई महाराज वटि चई महाराज ही कोकोनट कोन्हे महाराज चई हिन पासे अच हीअं घुमाई चई ॾिस तव्हां ही कोकोनट ई आहे चई न पर महांगो आहे चई तव्हां त चओ न महांगो आहे मां त चवां कोकोनट आहे because you don't want to stop the because you want to bring the solution you see
It's true.
and some many times the Maharaj Vishal किथे भी आहिनि लकड़ी न आहिनि जो न ठीकु आहे अगरबत्ती खणी आ अगरबत्तियुनि खे टोड़ी न हुया कंदा हुआ भई कमु रुकणु न खपे
Exactly, Maharaj. That's what.
कमु न रुकणु खपे सोल्यूशन बिकॉज़ बाक़ी त ॾिसो सभु पूजा मां सची ॻाल्हि ॿुधायां ये वेडिंग आई कैन फिनिश इन 10 मिनट
Oh.
in 10 minutes with one mantra because I need only our purity
Yeah.
and honesty and faith.
Ji.
That's mind सच्चो होना खपे बाकी तो सब ठीक है हाँ इंटेंशन तव्हां जो आहे कि तव्हां सही आहियो right yeah
The, talking about that, even we always get extra samagri
yeah
and coconuts
Okay.
because you never know when it needs. And really, Maharaj, I'm telling you, whenever I've got extra, feeling हुंदी आहे कि हिन शादी में मूंखे लगे तो extra बटन खपे.
Right.
And every time it has been used.
and you know beta one more I can tell you कि वनवा जे टाइम असां संगीत हूंदो आहे न
जी
संगीत हिकु ॾींहुं पहिरियों हूंदो आहे
जी जी.
वनवा ॿिए ॾींहुं हूंदी आहे this is my request to all the parents you see you keep sangeet no problem you can I should tell this advice that you should keep sangeet one day before not one day before the wedding
Okay.
you understand
I understand.
yeah you know why because ॿिए ॾींहुं जॾहिं वनवा थी थिए सभु ॿारनि खे एनर्जी कोन्हे को
Yes.
एनर्जी कोन्हे को अलाए जाम शयूं पी था वियनि पोइ एनर्जी कोन्हे को एंड यू नो छा थो थिए because there is no purity at all
Yeah.
and Vanwa is very pure
Okay.
Vanwa and the wedding day is very pure Maharaj also want to give the four corner of the blessings right in front of the dear parents and the नवगरी गरी में वो जेके फ्रेंड्स हूंदा आहिनि न उहे चवंदा आहिनि ओ ख़ाली इमीडिएट फैमिली जे लाइ इमीडिएट फैमिली why for what you are here मूंखे मतलब सोचींदा ही आया छो आहिनि you see because you know why because I'm the Maharaj because you should participate जॾहिं तव्हां participate था कयो bride and groom जे नवगरी गलीअ में ओतिरी blessing था ॾियो उन्हनि ॿारनि खे रिटर्न में उहा blessing तव्हांजे ॿारनि खे बि थी मिले
How beautiful, Maharaj.
you know because you should attend पर मां अॼुकल्ह ॾिसंदो आहियां ओ and then when they coming only the garland पवंदो न ओॾी महिल ईंदा आहिनि बसि 5 मिंट बीहंदा आहिनि this is my request so ॿारनि खे बि वेडिंग जे ॾींहुं एनर्जी हुअणु खपे
Yeah.
right उहे वीचारा निंड में ईअं पोइ माइट छा कनि वीचारा माइट चवंदा आहिनि महाराज छा कयूं हाणे महाराज छा करे भई कयो वञो फिनिश कयो you see like that you understand
Yes, Maharaj.
yeah so this is my request because I want to give good thing to the new generation
Ji, Maharaj.
that's right yeah अच्छा
Ji. We're going to take a 2 seconds break on our Instagram and come back.
Yeah.
Just give us 2 minutes actually. Because we're going to continue with the wedding, most important rituals on the
Yeah.
wedding right now.
Okay.
So Facebook, stay on. Just Insta, please, if you are watching us, join back again in just 2 seconds. Thank you so much. Yeah. Thank you, Maharaj. Ji, ji. Yeah. So as Maharaj said, that, yeah, back on Insta. Okay, welcome back everybody. If you're here, thank you so much for being with us. We're almost done. So session 2, if there is, would be of other things, but I think we will finish the wedding stuff today itself. We've been quite good with our timing. Ji Maharaj,
Yeah.
Monica has a very important question.
Yeah.
That why the girl's side, the bride side basically cannot, or the bride herself cannot attend the Ghari Puja of the groom side. But
Yeah.
we have done that before also.
Yeah.
And one part they cannot attend, but Ghari Navghari they've attended of each other's.
No, they cannot. Navgari Gari actually छाती में है कि
जी.
Navgari Gari में देव अलग अलग हैं. देव means ancestors.
जी.
या अलग अलग आए ने देवन जैसे वेजी न वे आए ने as per the Indian tradition असन जो पाकिस्तान का मटी हलंदो तो अचे कि girl पेनो means पेनो तो देव mix में कब है. Deva means all the Navgari Gari prayers that they must be calling the ancestors, right? उहे देव mix में कब है. इन करे जदी बिनी जो Navgari Gari आए, right, in the groom side, only the mother and father can go to put the garlands,
Okay, not the bride.
not the bride.
Okay.
Yeah.
So, just to be clear, Monica, the bride's family can visit the boy's side.
Yes, and
but the
boy
bride-
side
yeah.
visit to the girl
Yeah.
side.
And the boy's side, the groom side can visit the
Yeah.
bride side.
Yeah.
However, the bride and groom cannot go to each other's
Yeah. And
ceremony.
one more thing I can add, when the Janio,
Yeah.
especially Janio, bride cannot come to see the, when you finish the Janio, then she
can.
come for the Aarti.
G. Okay.
Because Shai Gone Janyo do pave, the Anyamana, because see, Janyo again you have to put in certain age. But
Ji.
nowadays, Assam Buljita Vanyo, wedding the time the buying, right? So
Right.
still the Assam can Natha Dekhana Chayo, Kihinja Deva Gi Aine,
Ji.
which is very important Aine. That's why the girl only can come Aarti time.
Understand. Thank you, Maharaj. Another important thing I
Yes.
wanted to ask you, Janya Uje, Ghari Uje, does the meal have to be vegetarian? I personally always suggest to my clients
Mhm.
that after Ghari especially, that vegetarian bhojan khape,
Huh.
but many times we can't
I
because,
know.
yes. But what is the correct way?
Correct way is a vegetarian because see Navgari time, even though I can say the Dikha time, because before a time when this tradition is start, right? Our forefather before they were always do the majlis. Majlis means Saji Shadi Thi Vaya Onakha Po. Majlis means the cocktail in your word, cocktail.
Cocktails.
Yeah. Okay. Majlis है पोथ हिंदी भी शादो थे जड़ी असा पूजा ता कयूं पाठ ता कयूं और देवन की ता मोकलन एंसेस्टर जो पूजा ता कयूं हेडो and we only calling all the well wishers for this happy occasion come and give the blessing only, right? You see the shadow थे as per the Rigveda, Yajurveda, Samveda, Atharvaveda in scriptures, right?
Yeah.
They mention when the wedding time, marriage time ho jaye, you should be very pure. We should be very pure and sattvic.
Ji.
Sattvic, right? Shojo, jani justification thi do, right? Justification thi do. In Bhagwan ji adalat mein, tadi Bhagwan pushan do, hinan sabni non-veg kite khado, or show khado. The po Raja Chitragupta chando, because of hinan bit baran je karan, hinan sabni khado. So because of that, they going to be get the punishment.
Okay.
Yeah, so this the means, I'm telling you the meaning.
Ji, but
Yeah.
majority are
Yeah,
believing
you
in
see
that.
the Gujaratis, the Marwaris, I did the Jain wedding, all vegetarian.
Yes.
All vegetarian. So I suggest there's the only one day you should be saying.
1 or 2 days.
Yeah,
Yeah.
1 or 2 days.
So, Maharaj, going back to Vanva Puja,
Yeah. Yeah.
Bride's parents have to do the fasting. But does the bride have to fast also?
No.
Bride can eat, right?
Bride can eat. And actually bride parents actually giving the respect to the daughter. Not necessary.
Oh, not necessary.
Actually not necessary.
Okay.
But it's the respect that our daughter is going to the new life, to the new house. Oh Lord, I am keeping fasting that she be very happy always.
Oh, so it's like a sankalp.
Yeah, thank
कि
you.
मेरी छोकरी सुखी
It's
हो.
not necessary कौन
Necessary कौन है? Okay.
हाँ.
Oh, that's also very good to know.
Yeah.
Because sometimes some people cannot fast.
Yeah, because sometimes वो गोली पे बैठा नहीं पैका मुंह
जी.
पैका तो माँ चाहते हैं फल खाओ फ्रूट खाओ अगर वो वेजिटेरियन खाओ
जी.
हाँ
Thank you, Maharaj. Thank you so much. Now, the Dikha ceremony.
जी
जेका थींदी है असां में.
yeah
So, usually the bride's sisters, bhabi.
मोरे वाली
हाँ.
मोरे
They,
वाली
okay.
हाँ मोरे वाली
Mure wali. They go to the groom's room.
right
Normally it's the groom's house.
हाँ
But now we say to the suite or something.
sweet yeah
And unake like they put like a sabri on the gotama.
गोट माँ के चोटी करना है या रिबन बदलना है
Yeah.
हाँ
And then groom table they need to put the choti.
हाँ
Why we need to do this? Because she's already so beautiful also.
I know. Yeah. Again, they want to give the respect to the groom's mom, right? And ये चोटी नकली करना है. Actually, चोटी is the माने you know the सिर से ताके हूँ. The right taking the permission and the blessing from her, right? And also why we doing for the boy choti, groom की चोटी नकली करना है हूँ. Again, we going back, right? Janyo time.
Okay.
जनरल टाइम छोटी करना है
जी.
तो इन टाइम वरी इनके प्योरिटी दिखनी है चला है राइट
So the choti is important.
वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट एंड आजकल सिंगार भी नहीं था के हूँ मदर जो जो जो
already she's-
प्रिटेंड था के हूँ राइट
Yeah.
बट दिस इज द
So
रेस्पेक्ट
can
एंड
we
टेक
skip the pretend
we can do the choti
to do the choti?
do the choti
For symbolic reason.
symbolic
जी.
reason what in मतलब आरती भी बदल दिया है and हथियारों उनके बोशनी के भी पढ़ना है बोशनी जेको गोदो हुंदो है विच
Yes.
जेको कोने नो तो उनके भी पढ़ना है और उनके छा करना है क्राउन पाइना है पहले एक्चुअली इंडिया में मुकुट पाइना है
Okay.
मुकुट
To the
crown
boy.
to the boy
So crown of Sarah. Like a that
tradition day by day change को थी तो मैंने
जी, जी.
पहले तो मुकुट पाइना से वो सहरा चिवियो वरी क्राउन आयो सो पर
pagri type.
हाँ
Yeah.
पर अन्य नहीं चोटी थी नहीं यार
Okay.
हाँ चोटी
So choti is important.
चोटी is important
But that we can skip, that pretend makeup.
pretend can skip but actually it's not take a time
It doesn't take time.
हाँ.
Yeah, that I agree. But it's just a little.
yeah it's a happy occasion actually उनके टोल भी देना है
जी.
टोल भी हम देते हैं उनको उनकी ग्रूम की मांग को कि भाई ये हम लाए हैं
Yeah.
and we have a permission to take your boy
Yeah.
with us for the hathialo
जी.
so yes all is connected with the respect and of course ग्रूम की माँ है
Yeah.
very respected हैं हमारे लिए
Yeah.
तो pretend जो भी न भी करे ठीक है
Yeah.
पर करते हैं तो अच्छा है
Okay.
हाँ
So another thing, Maharaj, this give and take. I had many people ask me the questions.
give and take
Mana शादी में हेतरो थींदो आहे,
हाँ.
but we'll come back to that later because now I want to focus on the
Yes,
rituals
yes,
and
yes.
ceremonies,
Yeah.
what is important
Okay.
and everything. And Maharaj, there are 2-3 different ceremonies with different families.
yeah
We have experienced.
Yeah.
कि हिन family में हीअं थींदो आहे, हुन family में हूअं
हुअं
थींदो
थींदो
आहे.
आहे, हाँ.
And of course we respect. And the first thing we do is whenever there's a couple who work with us, we ask that what are the customs and traditions
yeah
in their
वो
family.
क्वेश्चन खपे
हाँ,
हाँ.
we ask जो असां follow करे सघूं.
Right.
And if we need to prepare anything,
Yes.
main thing is that if they want to do aarti, they want
Yeah.
to throw flowers, तो
Yeah.
वो सब prepare करने we
Okay.
should be aware.
Yeah, they should inform the wedding planner because now we have to go together with the wedding planner and then they can arrange for us.
जी.
Yeah.
So this is very important. The घनी different traditions हैं. Can you explain why different family में different different traditions. For example, more recently एक शादी करी
Mhm.
and the bride's brother was asked to कुछ मिठो खाए तयमा. So traditionally it was done in the house.
Shao Pakistan thamaki boy always wendo ho bena sangat shadi khampo, right? Shah unake actually jo bhi nalodi nahi Dajal.
Okay.
Dajo, he is the Dajal, right?
Oh.
Ha, Dajo. Dajo means whatever
The trousseau.
हाँ,
Yeah.
जेके बिलियन पे हमारा माल इंडिया है, तो उन्होंने कहा कि there is also the inside meaning, big meaning that he telling the sister, you are not alone, I am with you. To going along with you to your house,
Yeah.
right? पर and उसे पुछा होंदो हुयो, हुतां जो जेके वॾा हूंदा, हर कंहिं जो ट्रेडिशन पंहिंजो आहे, ओ तुंहिंजो राजल आयो आहे, त हीअ असांजी तई मां उहो खाए या हनी एंड ये छा चइबो ॾही खाए
Yeah.
या कुझु
Something sweet.
हा पर हाणे कोन्हे को
Now there's not.
No.
So if I'm in a destination wedding
हाँ.
and मुंहिंजो client पूछे तो
हाँ.
that this is in our family tradition, of course we need to follow.
हाँ.
So what can I do? Tayi I cannot arrange.
No, just see, now I tell
बोल
you,
में.
कि बोल में स्वीट खारायोस
That's it, right? Mithai.
मिठो हाथ करनो गाल खत्म ना होता
Okay. Yeah, because we need to respect traditions.
because they give
of-
the toll to the boy
जी.
उतां जो ग्रूम जे साइड जेके हूंदा आहिनि
जी, जी.
भई तुंहिंजो भाउ आयो आहे असांजे घर जे रात जो
जी.
ऐं हीअं त उहो टोल ॾींदा आहिनि टोल वठी अचे मिठाई खाई अचे
Only mithai थींदो आहे
मिठाई
नयारे.
best
Nowadays, I think they're
and I can chocolate खाई अचे
जी,
हाँ.
okay. So
हाँ.
just for respect.
हाँ, respect.
Yeah, so at
Shuban
least I
hai,
understand.
shuban,
Shuban hai,
shuban.
yeah.
हाँ.
And the second thing is, seven suhagan, they put the rings.
हाँ उहो छा थींदो आहे पहिरियों रिंग विझंदा आहिनि न त इहो सॼो नज़र जे काम आहे
Okay.
हाँ नज़र जे काम आहे हू त छा कंदा हुआ सोन विझी करे पहिरियों त हुन में पाणी में कंदा हुआ पोइ पाणी पीआरींदा हुआ so
Okay.
every family have their different
जी.
but not all
Not all.
Not
yes,
everyone,
These
yeah.
are some things I'm just seeing in some families.
some families
And we need to just follow it
हाँ
for them.
हाँ पंहिंजो सत सुहागणियूं कढंदियूं आहिनि पंहिंजा गोल्ड you see they take out their gold and they put there and पोइ घुमाईंदियूं आहिनि पोइ लाॾो ॻाईंदियूं आहिनि
जी.
yeah
Ji, and then Maharajji, this thing, the girls' side will have to bring them to the
Bharat
So
हाँ.
now going to the Bharat.
yeah
Ideal, most best way Bharat ke welcome karan jo
हाँ.
is there a tradition or it's a fashion? मूंखे तव्हां
no
खां-
tradition आहे tradition
Okay.
इहो आहे कि ॿारात अचे थी त ब्राइड साइड उन्हनि खे माला पाईंदा आहिनि भई तव्हां असांजे दर ते आया आहियो
जी.
you see and तव्हांजी रेस्पेक्ट आहे so they put mala but we cannot put the whole bharat mala
Yeah.
only the immediate family
Okay.
only the immediate family few mala 8 to 9 malas by उनजे father के जेके भी मामा है चाचा and even though if you not get the mala just fold the hands
Or many times I have put loose
Yeah.
petals.
yeah
The loose petals.
उन्हनि मथां हाँ
छोकरियुनि खे न्याणियुनि खे.
respect
Yes, I just keep the
हाँ
न्याणियुनि over there.
respect for the groom side
Yeah.
yeah
And Maharaj, you remember one time हिरेन जी शादी में
हाँ.
DJ सुमी पियो हो. He couldn't come at the Bharat. And Harry वो टुक टुक में वही DJ कयो.
हाँ याद है See, this is a nice thing from your side, and you really the wedding planner they putting their own time and effort to make this very nice, right? So they always work hard.
We try our best, Maharaj.
Yeah.
Thank you with your blessings. Okay, now next important Bharat ka po.
Yeah.
Okay, the next important question is Hatyalo.
Yeah.
Now there are two ways. Hikru thindo hai
Vedic.
style, which
should be
most
that.
of the brides are preferring nowadays.
Yeah.
They come straight to the
Mandap.
mandap. And the old tradition Sindhi way is that एक separate kamro they
But-
take, or
हाँ.
they take a corner
हाँ.
and they say
Bride बैठी है.
bride waiting
Yes.
and they do the hatyalo.
Hatyalo.
And from there they
Go together.
to go together
To the
But-
mandap.
to the mandap.
Yeah.
But uname they are holding their
Their
hands
hands,
and
yeah.
walking.
Yeah.
And destination places, we
Right.
have to do that in a buggy.
Huh.
Sometimes we have to do it on a boat because
Boat,
sometimes
yeah.
they want to come in a different way.
Yes, yes.
But because it's tight, it's a bit scary also.
Scary also,
Because
yeah.
so beautiful outfit,
Huh.
heavy outfit.
Heavy outfit. Right?
But and gracefully everybody wants to enter, sometimes with the father, sometimes with the brothers. They want to enter Siddho Mandap Te. What is the correct way to put the Hatiyalo?
Hatyalo both ways. See, first way, the groom should go to the bride's.
जी.
जितने भी आए स्वीट आए होते बनी
जी.
आओ हथियालो बंदी जी. Second way is what you say that then the boy had to wait at. I suggest if in this way now modern days everyone prefer the bride is especially preferring their own her own barat.
Yes,
हाँ.
her own
हाँ
movement.
बारात में मूवमेंट
जी,
में अच्छे
जी.
तो मां सजेस्ट कंदा इन ख्याल खां कि मंडप जे पासे में हिकड़ी एरिया हुजे सजायल
Yeah.
उते ही हुजे सजायल
Yeah.
उते गुरु वेठो हुजे and then the she come
Yeah.
yeah and we do the hatialo. This is the first
Yeah. So the Hatiyalo can be done on the mandap itself.
हाँ for second है मंडप पे करणो है
Yeah.
the groom again वेठो है पर before he sit when he coming with the barat because this is the respect for the groom
जी.
because we treat the groom as the Lord Vishnu and Lord Rama
जी.
why the असांजे tradition में इन करे ही आए the
लक्ष्मी
bride जो
नारायण.
mother and father is उनजा पेर दोन है तो पेरो एक वो ceremony थी वने then bride can come.
Okay. He मुखे पूछनो because couple of girls have
हाँ.
asked me these questions. If you are watching, this is for you, some of you.
Mhm.
Why do the parents have to, bride's parents wash groom feet, and is there an easier way to do that?
Very easy way. Before the हुंदो थाल में पेर रखी सॼो धोइणो आहे पोइ पेर खे खणणो आहे
Yes.
पोइ wipe करणो आहे. Now you can sprinkle
Sprinkle.
the water in the milk.
जी.
Yeah, and just उनखे wipe करे. That's it.
So that is there is an
Yeah,
easier
yeah,
way.
yeah.
जी.
Yeah.
The-
Because he has a tradition में when we tie the both of them the what you say the daga the
जी.
thread the moli
जी.
then she become the pure period is going on for the Lakshmi and he become the
Narayan.
Narayan.
Ji Maharaj. Yeah. So this is very good to know that if we do it this way, then the groom has to already be there.
Yeah, yeah.
So when do the groom's parents come then? अगर here style करूँ था that मंडप में
Then they can come.
with the barat
Yeah,
itself.
yeah, yeah.
With the
We cannot stop them then.
Of
Then
course.
yeah, they can come.
Yeah.
And only Panchaminta Lagana, they before they go to the estate at the mandap, let the bride parents can sprinkle and wash the feet, and that ceremony we should finish.
Finish it.
Yeah,
जी.
and then the
The bride comes
can
and
come.
then we put the charger, and
charger,
yeah. So I mean that
Yeah.
we know
That we
how
can do.
how we can
Then
do.
this
Yes.
way we can save the time.
Ji, thank you so much, Maharaj. And I mean, you always help us in so many weddings.
No, because see, I don't want to stop the ceremony. I don't want to make the confusion there.
Ji.
I want to this occasion with a very happy occasion.
Ji.
So we
So
can-
no stress.
No
Exactly.
stress, no stress. Yeah,
We-
no stress because ये हुननि जो खुशी जो ॾींहुं आहे.
Yes.
Yeah, that's why.
Yeah, actually that's the best thing. You shouldn't be stressed. Whatever it is, we'll go through it properly together. Tell your wedding planners, tell your Maharaj what is it you want, how is it you want, and we'll make sure it's done in the most seamless way. Because when there's communication, only then we'll be able to make it happen for all of you.
Yeah.
Between the Maharaj and the planner and the families, there should be clear communication, because it's not just conducting the ceremony. We have to make sure we tell the videographers, we tell the photographers,
Yeah.
because these are important moments.
And save the time, make the occasion very happy. I suggest when we reach the hotel, very first day, we take out the time, wedding planner, Maharaj, parents, and the movie man. Sit together.
Ji.
We go like this take only 30 minutes.
Yes, Maharaj.
Everyone understand?
Everybody
Then we go,
understands.
yeah.
Everybody
Yeah,
understands the
that's right.
significance.
That's
Yes.
the best way.
Okay, Maharaj. Now, main thing, Shadi jo mandap.
हाँ.
Of course, There are different ways of making beautiful mandaps,
Hmm.
and when they're big, it's awesome. You can have everybody
Right.
there. But घणी दफ़ा compact mandap थींदा आहिनि अॼुकल्ह.
Right.
So if the mandap is not big, who are the most important members to be at the
Yeah.
mandap?
First, I suggest the wedding planner should check the direction. Check the direction where the groom and bride can sit. If the bride and groom sit west, they look east is the best.
Yeah.
Why?
Yeah.
And second thing is that
Sit in the east.
east and the west.
Yeah.
Right?
Yeah.
And if in such circumstances is fine, they can sit in the south, but they look to the north.
Oh, sit in the south also. It's possible.
Possible.
I only know about east and west.
West.
Because that's easier
Yeah,
to remember.
even though they're sitting the north, but I want they should look to the north.
They should look at the north. North star है
North,
चंदा.
yeah, because north pole में ध्रुव तारो है. Dhruv taro, right?
Yeah.
So because when you taking care of the Dhruv taro and you taking the 4 round of the fire, very auspicious.
I'm coming back to that 4 round of. I have that question.
And then you go ask me the immediate family.
Ji.
Only the parents are important. Inner both sides are important.
Are important.
Yeah, both sides are important.
Mhm.
The rest, their families, elders.
Yeah.
If there's no space, then everyone can sit in the front seat.
Okay.
Yeah.
So of course immediate family
Immediate
and
family.
then earners. If we have space.
Inner we need. Yeah,
Earner.
inner we need.
Only the earner,
Earners?
not
No,
the wife.
no, this is not the wife, not
Not
the
the
wife.
wife.
Inner we need, and then the parents we need,
Ji.
and the 2 Maharajas or 1
Of
Maharaj.
course. Yeah. That we need. Yeah.
Even though when you put less people there, then movie camera they are happy
They can move
because
freely.
they can move freely. Otherwise, too difficult.
Ji, Maharaj.
And everyone should take off the shoes. In such one occasion, some ladies told me, Maharaj, I cannot this that. Then I say, okay, you do nothing. You sit, go and sit up and take off the shoe there only. Because ladies, your problem, I could jam makeup, yeah, why?
Wear sari or lehenga friendly shoes
हाँ.
because you must remove it.
हाँ,
It's not
because
just Jai Maharaj. Every
वो
Maharaj.
मंडप शायद पवित्र एरिया है.
जी.
Yeah, so that's why.
Yeah. Yes. Thank you so much, Maharaj. And groom ke and bride has the white kapro and the groom.
But nowadays they're not wearing white because white they're feeling little upward, right? So I suggest, of course, because शाम लाए शोकरे जो बोशनी होना है ना,
जी.
बोशनी करना है ना, बोशनी दे सकता वो ऑर्नामेंट तो वो अब मैं पैरों white करना हुआ. तो
Okay.
सभी बोशनी बरेला होंगे भी 7 colors हैं, but now
just for Sona they do.
Sona the.
जी.
कहने के लिए I can say if they wearing the red, तो उन्हन के थोड़ा dull color जो थी ना light pink है, वो जो
Okay.
हाँ, तो
Okay.
she look more beautiful then.
Okay. So they put coconut
हाँ.
and nowadays we get it like stitched.
हाँ.
That before you have to put a knot.
Not.
And
हाँ,
you
के
can
गोदो
pocket.
हाँ pocket
हाँ, वो
pocket
pocket
है
kind है.
हाँ उन्हें के
So-
गोदो चुना.
So why they put the coconut inside?
They put coconut, they put misri, they put in Marwari and Gujarati they put the rice and the long and kota and all because all these are symbolic, the auspicious things, right? And when the coconut he carrying, because coconut complete the whole prayer.
Ji.
You see, and when this coconut gets so much power because he's going in a new life. And when the wedding finish, right? When the wedding finish, the bride and groom should come to the home.
जी.
घर में ईंदा हुया, लक्ष्मी घर में ईंदी हुई, पोइ हुनजी जेकी ससु हूंदी हुई, जेकी groom जी
Yeah.
मदर आहे, उहो कोकोनट खणी करे टोड़ींदा हुआ टक.
Okay.
हाँ भाई अची वियो असांजो ही कंप्लीट थियो.
Understand.
शादी पूरो थियो. That power that coconut has. That's why he had to carry and protect the whole wedding. Yeah.
Understand. Ji. The direction you already explained. Mandap jo I understand. What about Ghari Puja? Again, sorry, I'm going back, but
हाँ Gari Puja same.
same. Must face any of these directions.
Mostly the west to east,
Yeah,
east
yeah,
to west.
East to
Yeah.
west. Ji.
Yeah.
These are.
That's most important.
Ji. the Ghari Puja also, Vanva Puja also need to face.
And Gari Puja में यो है कि if you miss the wedding prayer at the mandap is fine, but you cannot
miss the Hatyalo.
No, the Gari and Navgari.
Oh.
That is powerful.
Okay.
That is powerful.
Okay. Now Maharaj, again, this is another. Sometimes it's a requirement.
हाँ.
The fan देखो विनरी चल रहा है.
हाँ, विनरी.
Winery. The purpose चाहे विनरी.
Vinneri jo purpose है, we need something auspicious to chant the holy mantra.
Okay.
असां सिंधी में उनखे वेदी चवंदा आहियूं.
वेदी.
Vedi. Nowadays I write all Vedi in English.
जी.
They who samjhi sakan bride and groom, right?
Right.
पर उनमें एड़ा powerful mantra आहिनि that you become the Ram and Sita, you become the Narayan.
Yes.
Lakshman. So उहो जेकी विनरी आहे, पहिरियों छा हूंदो ओल्ड गोल्डन टाइम ते पिकॉक हूंदो, पिकॉक जो feathers सां
Feathers सां,
विनरी
yes.
हूंदी हुई.
Oh,
So
yes.
उहो powerful आहे. But nowadays in the tradition
Because that's Krishna जो.
कृष्णा जो त
Okay.
पोइ हलंदो आयो चेंज थींदो आहे. हाणे उहो ॾाढो डेकोरेट थी करे
जी.
विझणी ईंदी आहे.
So-
त विझणी जो आहे कि very auspicious is for the chanting the auspicious mantra to give the blessings.
And अगर विनरी न हुजे
त
तो
महाराज छा कंदो, महाराज पंहिंजो बुक आहे उन जो बुक मां पढ़ंदा आहियूं न.
Yeah.
इवन दो वी हैव यादि आहे सॼो त तॾहिं बि असां बुक खणंदा आहियूं.
जी.
बुक खणण ई खपे भई हिकु बि ॻाल्हि मिस न थिए.
जी.
त उहो जेको होली बुक आहे उन ते चांवर ऐं अखो ऐं गुल रखी
so it's okay.
It's okay.
Yeah, so then the winery and cushions, because a lot of girls say that we will never use
Cushion
it.
for the comfort.
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 But because nowadays we give sofa to
So जो
them.
उहे cushion उन्हनि जी मदर ब्राइड जी मदर चवंदी हुई ही मुंहिंजी न्याणीअ जे लाइ आहे न उहो वेंदी cushion पंहिंजे उन में घर में यूज़
Yeah.
कंदी.
But अॼुकल्ह the decorative and everything they don't really want,
Yeah.
and we put normal good cushions
Yes,
for
yes,
them.
yes.
So then it's
No
not
need, no need.
not a custom.
Not a
It's
custom.
if you wish
from
to
the
do-
heart.
Yeah.
From
Okay.
the heart. The
Okay.
blessing from the mother.
Okay. Some girls asked me this. Why do they have to change the name after marriage? Some
Yeah.
of them don't want to change. मुँह का change करो. मैं तो automatically the Maharaj said is good.
9-5. No, actually छा थींदो आहे लेना ॾियणी आहे.
जी.
लेना ॾियणी आहे. It's very powerful लेना ॾियणी. साहित थींदी आहे. Even though साहित जेकी लेना ॾियणी न केवल इन में थींदी आहे भई मैरिज जे टाइम तव्हां चङा माण्हू ईंदा आहिनि महाराज मां बिज़नेस थो खोलियां ॿुधायो मां हांगकांग खे घणो लहणा मां अमेरिका खे घणो लहणा.
Right.
हा त इहो साहित ई आहे. त छा थींदो आहे as she's going in boy's house
जी.
she enter in his life. Right? He is not coming in her life. Right?
Yes.
Okay. First step. Secondly, Shadi Bhai, कि boy के always हम get be 9.
Oh.
Always he 5, you 9, like us. Yeah.
Okay.
And girl 11, then boy 3. That's the best.
Okay.
Girl 9, boy 5 is okay. Means good. And then boy 4 and girl 10.
Okay.
So why we giving her more? That is हिनजी साइट सां हिनजी लक
Attachment.
एॾी सुठी लॻे
Okay.
अंडरस्टैंडिंग एॾी सुठी थिए ॿार एॾा सुठा थियनि कि ही वधीक कमाए बि because who had to go out because nowadays of course you're going to say oh both are earning the money.
Yes.
Right? So वो ॿी ॻाल्हि आहे right?
Right.
पर पहिरें जे ज़माने में छा हूंदो हुयो ख़ाली boy
What's going on?
going out early. So he had to look after earn that much money
Yeah.
that I have a now double responsibility.
Okay.
Not only for mom and dad, mother and father, and she also came in my life.
Right.
So जॾहिं लेना ॾियणी कयूं था न त छोकिरे जो understanding story.
Okay.
You know, I tell you one thing. I always give the blessing to the couple that give respect each other,
Ji.
understand each other nicely,
Ji.
keep a good patient in this relationship, then love going to come automatically.
Of course, Maharaj.
You know, because they're not staying with the mother and father nowadays. They have the different houses,
Yeah.
right? So they should keep a patient. And you know, जेकी धरती आहे, जॾहिं पहिरीं जे ज़माने में शादी करे छोकिरी घर में ईंदी हुई त पूरो हिकु साल लॻी वेंदो हो ख़ाली अर्थ खे ऑब्ज़र्व करण में.
Okay.
खाली अर्थ खे
Yeah, Mamaji also says that.
जमीन खे
Yes.
ऑब्जर्व करण में, right? Forget about all the. That's the why you see we do the Dattar ceremony.
Yes.
Why we do the Dattar ceremony? Exchanging the salt.
Yeah.
Because salt जो जेको opposite आहे उहा आहे sugar.
Okay. Okay.
When you exchanging the salt,
Yeah.
then sugar can come in your life. Then you both understand each other. That's why sasasa rataramai and father-in-law ka immediate family sa kan diya. Why? Then because girl ji की understanding हो जाए, एडी perfect हो जाए, एडी सुठी हो जाए, जेन ये family smoothly करे. That's
जी.
the why.
तो महाराज जी nowadays Daktar also because
हाँ.
you know in destination weddings में थींदो है they need to finish the wedding, they need to do couple shoot,
Right.
and then Daktar we all do in the mandap now.
Yes.
है ना? So if we do with everybody, it takes time and then the reception gets late.
Right.
So what is most important? कैसा Daktar करें?
Only immediate family.
Only immediate.
Why side immediate family, mother, father, if they have a brother-in-law,
Yeah.
sister-in-law, that's immediate family.
Just
Yeah,
okay.
and I suggest try and finish at the mandap. Do
Okay.
not go to the it's going to take a time.
That or back to their suite.
Yes, exactly. Then she have to change the dress and they have to dress up again. So just tell the bride side, please, we want to do the Datta ceremony.
Ji.
And before the ceremony, you should take the immediate the photos, whatever they
Yes,
want.
yes, both the sides.
Yeah,
yes.
both the side. Then finish
उनका
it.
आपको Datta
हाँ,
ceremony.
हाँ,
जी जी. Okay, Maharaj, going back to you said char fera.
हाँ.
Okay, because recently at our wedding we did one of the bride's mother said why she only did 4 feras. It's supposed to be sapta fera.
Hmm.
And she stopped in the middle of the wedding and then the Maharaj explained चार फेरे होते हैं 7 वचन
वचन
होता
होते
है.
हैं, हाँ, 7 promises होते हैं.
जी
7 promises always, because in the week we have a 7 days,
जी.
right?
Okay.
And in that 7 days we take a birth and we leave the world also.
Okay.
Yeah, you say so. The 7 days is very important. So 7 vachan जेकी थींदा आहिनि उहे पाण में हूंदा आहिनि.
Okay.
We're going to take care of each other.
Yeah.
We're going to look after the household things nicely. We're going to make an atmosphere very pure and with a joy and happiness and the prosperity. We're going to bring our children very nicely with the mind and the health. They be very positive and very strong. So these type of the 7 walls we have, right? And 7, sometimes we say Saptapadi.
जी.
7 Saptapadi, right?
Yeah.
That exchanging between bride and groom. 7 वचन होते हैं, right? Because 7 जो 4 जो फेरा होते हैं, that is with the meaning.
जी.
पहला फेरा होता है धर्म के लिए.
धर्म.
धर्म always we go with the rightness,
Yeah.
right? Rightness.
Righteousness, yeah.
हम morality के साथ जाएंगे और पहला धर्म का हम ख्याल रखेंगे. That's why you see when bride and groom take for three फेरा groom take.
Okay.
Groom take for the dharam, for the earth,
And
right, and the calm.
come. Yeah.
Earth mana earning the money
Okay.
and taking care of the house, right?
Yeah, yeah.
Like मैं जो भी कमा के लाऊंगा, हम equally बांट कर खाएंगे. That's the earth.
Yeah.
And Agni is very powerful. Why Agni Fera?
Purity.
Because Agni is inside also.
Digestive.
Agni is outside also.
जी.
So Agni को कहते हैं हम लोग साक्षी.
Yeah.
साक्षी, witness है अग्नि हमारी. तो 3 फेरे और काम माना any kind of the desire in the children.
Yeah.
Yeah, the calm and the moksha always with the patni,
Yes.
right? So why the first is coming dharam? Because she is a dharam patni.
Okay.
See dharam जो बाँ थींदो आहे, धर्म जी भेण थींदी आहे, धर्म जो मां थींदो आहे, धर्म जो पीउ थींदो आहे. कॾहिं बि कोई बि स्क्रिप्चर खणी अचो धर्म जो पति थींदो ई न.
Yeah. धर्म पत्नी चवंदा आहिनि.
धर्म पत्नी न कि धर्म का पति, right?
Yeah.
So the patni is very powerful. When she come in the life,
Yeah.
then the moksha.
जी.
Without patni, there is no moksha.
And that is why actually this makes me realize because I'm interested in our Indian culture
Yes,
so much.
yeah.
The English people read their vows, but Asaje mein we already had those vows since
Ages.
tradition
Yeah,
time,
yeah,
right?
yeah.
And that there's a woman behind every successful man.
Yeah.
This is where the moksha fera comes.
Yeah, even though see, that's why even though Chandan Ram Sita के शरीर नहीं पर राम सीता के नशनी सीता पाण हली भाई
Hmm.
सीता पाण हली भाई. That's why we doing Sita Ram, न कि राम सीता.
Sita, yes. Understand.
always comes
And
in
Radha Krishna.
Radha Krishna, Lakshmi Narayan,
Yes.
right?
Yeah.
Uma Maheshwar.
Yes.
Yeah. So that's why the moksha is more important, and moksha only going to do with the Patni. That's why when she changed the direction, she coming from right to the left,
Yeah.
and left is the heart.
Yeah.
Always Patni is stand in the heart.
Yes.
Lakshmi. That's why after the marriage, always any kind of the puja, Patni left me.
Left me there.
Ah.
That's why I first said I said this way. Because I already know.
I know.
And like you said, Ram, Sita.
Yeah.
No, Sita, Ram,
Sita,
Lakshmi
Ram,
Narayan.
Lakshmi Narayan.
That's why everybody says Rani Hari.
Bunty bubbly.
So sweet. And a big shout out to Mona
Mona
Didi
Didi.
for always helping Maharaj. Maharaj is so simple,
Yeah.
but Mona Didi is keeping him
Behind the successful.
Yes, behind.
The
The
Mona is
women-
there.
Yeah. Mona Didi, thank you so much. A big shout out to you for all the creatives and putting this up on Facebook for Maharaj ji, on Instagram, and all the WhatsApp messages Mona ji is only handling
Yeah.
for Maharaj. She's his personal
Nowadays we
secretary.
nicely on Facebook on live Maharaj Yasham you कर रहे हैं COVID-19 का. So 24 countries nicely joining with us. Yeah.
I have a question.
Ji.
It's from Janvi. She'd like to know what's the importance of the inner.
Okay.
Why is the inner important? And also, what if there is no inner? I mean, it's
Who can be the honor?
who can be the inner as a substitute?
I'll repeat this question. Thank you, Janvi, for your question. The question is, what is the importance of an inner, and what if there is no inner? So who can substitute on behalf of an inner? Thank you for your question.
Yeah. Inner to protect the whole ceremony. First he protect when the Navgari Gali start.
Yeah.
Right? He go along with the mother, groom's mother and bride's mother. Right? And because see, in all these, when we chant the mantras and all, we don't want anyone negative thing interrupt
Yeah.
this powerful ceremony. Right? So when, especially the Vedi time at the mandap, you see, we always see the groom side inner stand and take the knife. That's the only one reason.
Yeah.
Because he is standing in the middle. He is taking care of the bride and groom.
Yeah.
If any negative thing in the Vayu Mandal, right, in atmosphere, can come and interrupt us, because the Pandit, the Brahman chanting a holy mantra
Yeah.
to protect. That's why they have the knife there.
Yeah.
And that's most important.
Can the inner sit on the side also? Because for photographs, you
Yeah,
want,
yeah. He only can come when the Maharaj say that come and stand.
Yeah, come and stand.
Yeah.
And then Maharaj, again going back, I was almost going to finish, but I remember in our Sindhi weddings especially, we get the chacha, mama and the brothers.
Brother, Hatha.
Hathajele.
For witness.
Okay, that's for witness.
Witness, yeah, witness. अग्नि को साक्षी मानकर हम बहन की रक्षा करते हैं. Even though the father हैं, but I am the brother. I am going to protect her whole life. If anything happened to my sister.
Okay.
And then Chacha is again the second
father. Okay.
And the mama, because mama, double ma,
Double ma.
like a mother.
Like a mother. Okay.
Yeah, so that's
Yeah.
the way forward.
And again, Kanyadan and importance of Kanyadan.
Yeah, important. The father is very lucky in our culture, Hindu culture. We always have two dan is very, very powerful. One is the Kanyadan, and he giving the daughter's hand, right? Daughter's right hand to the groom's hand, right? And taking the sankalp in a time, in a samay, in a near, in a vachanasa, he anam jo daughter, taan jo theo, and moke etro vishwas hai, she born and brought up in my house, but I have believe in the God, believe in this fire, I am doing the sankalp also, bringing all my, then Vadanja vi nala khana dwa, right? Vadanja nala khana ke tama hun jo khyaal rakhna, protect. So Kanyadan, when the father do the Kanyadan, he is the luckiest father in the world. That JK Garami, Kanya Lakshmi thi aaya, ahu ke vado to kare, wa Lakshmi behe to so pai, right? That's why you know, I don't know for the other Maharajas, but I know when we do the Kanyadan, then to make the balance of the dan, because see, manushya jo dan nathi thींदो आहे,
Yeah.
and dan केर थो वठी सघे, only brahman, yogi and guru.
Okay.
उन्हनि खे दान वठण जो हक़ आहे,
Okay.
right? पर हाणे गुरु कंहिंजो दान वरितो आहे, कन्या जो
कन्या
दान
जो,
वरितो आहे,
okay.
उनखे बैलेंस करण लाइ असां गौदान कंदा आहियूं.
Yeah.
The groom side have to do the gaudan.
Okay.
हाँ, to make the balance. मुंहिंजो पुटु हाणे कन्यादान वरितो आहे, पर मां उनखे
Okay, to balance it out.
balance it out, the
See,
gaudan.
yoga go, and they say that
Ah.
now also they do the same thing. They say Gaudan je Badra.
Guy,
Something.
yeah, they give to Maharaj,
They give to
the
Maharaj.
gaudan, whatever
जी.
the dakshina.
Yeah.
Very important है gaudan, because तव्हां कन्यादान इहो नथा वठी सघो.
Okay.
हाँ.
So that was also very
Yeah.
interesting to know. Thank you so much, Maharaj. Any last questions before we go out, because we are almost
Yeah.
done. Actually, we've gone over, but
If
thank
you
you
all
so
have any other question, we can do the part 2 also
We
for
can-
this. Yeah,
yeah.
and you send all the questions to our Rani, and we can do that. Yeah.
Thank you so much.
Yeah.
And on behalf of Jay Maharaj, Harry and I,
Mhm.
we would like to thank each and
Thank you,
everybody.
thank you.
Thank
Yeah.
you so much, Maharaj.
Yeah.
I would like to thank everyone, and I hope this Revelations session with Maharaj Jay has been an eye-opener for me definitely, and for all of you, to help us understand and appreciate our culture, our traditions, because that is our identity. That is what we have come from.
Yeah.
So it's important to know who we are, where we come from, why we do it, and we have got a modern twist to everything right now. Some things we can't change and we shouldn't change, but the things which we have, we can and we will do that. Thank you so much, and Jai Maharaj, we would like to thank you from the
Thank you.
bottom of our
You're
heart.
welcome.
Any questions?
Yeah.
Again, please make sure, any questions you have, message us, call us, we are there for you. Make sure your planners and your Maharajas always know what you are up to. We are always there to help you. Communication is key, but before leaving, I have
Yeah. I
special
want to play
request.
one thing for you,
Yes.
which I love to play. And हाणे चंड ॾींहुं आहे, संडे जो चंड आहे,
Yes.
घर घर में जोत जॻायो, जीअं कोविड-19 जो जेको डपु आहे उहो लही वञे, ऐं घर घर में बरकत थिए ऐं प्रकाश थिए. संडे ॾींहुं पंचमुखो ॾीओ ॿारे करे जोत जॻाईंदा. ऐं शादियुनि वारनि जे लाइ हिकिड़ो ई आहे, शादी असांजे घर में आ, अॼु मौज असांजे मन में आ. ओ अचो 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 भाउर भेनर नचो, अचो 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 भाउर भेनर नचो, शादी असांजे घर में आ. बाबा आयो राम झूले, ओ बेड़ी वारो, ओ रोहिड़ी वारो, ओ सखड़ वारो, सिंध वारो, हांगकांग वारो, भाई कोलन वारो, राग जा जाती सभई चो झूलेलाल. Thank you to all. Very nice, Rani and Harry. Lot of blessing for you, and I have a very nice. Come बेटा Harry, come. तव्हां ॿिन्ही जे लाइ ये माता जो आशीर्वाद आहे.
Thank you so much.
सदाई तव्हां वधंदा, सदाई तव्हां तरक़ी कंदा ॿई ॼणा. ओम सर्वमंगल मांगल्ये शिवे सर्वार्थसाधके शरण्ये त्र्यंबके गौरी नारायणी नमोस्तुते. जयकारा शेरवाली दा.
Oh, Sache Darbar ki jai. Thank you so much. We appreciate everything, Maharaj. Thank you so much.